Well, I'm on that Ford 460 that's going into 76 Ranchero, and what I have is a Duraspark distributor that's really tight. It just feels like it's really snug now. I um, I just want to have another spare. I will make it simple. The Ranchero has, if you could look at one of my other videos, it has the under the hood of the thing. It's got two Duraspark boxes. One of them is melted to the firewall, and the other one is just sitting there loose. So of course I want to change that out and find something different. And so went ahead and looked at the old Rock Auto site, and I was looking at the what they had for that year, and the 460 for a 76 model would be a D4006 distributor, and the core, if it's usable, they'll give you 65 bucks back. So out the door it's 132. You may not get your money back on the core. So talking to Oli's Garage, great channel, he said, you know, the 429 is a companion engine there. They share a lot of stuff, so I went ahead and typed in 73 Ranchero that would have a 429, and this is the distributor that they've come up with. And out the door, $54. Well, sorry, $75. And that was put me in a simple points type distributor with a coil, get rid of the Duraspark that melts on the firewall, and just that's what my goal is, to get the engine running. So I'm going to go ahead and go that direction. They it just makes sense to me to get the truck running.